Okay, I'm going to make a video about an email that I got, and it's basically how can I look in to the savings that are offered or in the old hopper when it comes down to this Save Club thing. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I do because I've already joined and I have access to the old back office with a username and a password. Now, if you're just searching around, let's just say on YouTube or somewhere with Google, all you're going to find really at this point are people like myself that make videos to show kind of the back office of what an example of maybe 10, 20, 30 deals are. Now, I live here in Utah. Okay, I'm active. I got cars, bikes, motorcycles. I like to travel now and then. I like to eat and drink and be merry all the time, it seems like. But anyway, let me just show you examples of some of the deals. So you can make a decision. Hey, do you want to join just to save money? 20 bucks a month. Can I save 100? I think you can. But I hope you save up a couple bucks, three $20 bills, pay the 60 bucks to be an affiliate. Okay. Now, I love saveclub.com. Please go there, put your contact information in and hit the button. You'll figure it out. All right. That way you can get more information about Save Club. And if you want to join, just open up the email and join from there. It's real easy. Okay. Now, if you go to the back office, you see this, there it is, My Deals. Okay, click it, and right now you can see, all right, there's a search bar. I don't know what you call this, just a little bar. You can put in pizza or Costco. Click Eat, Play, Shop, Travel. Okay, I'm just going to hit Shop. Okay, and see the, let me just move myself over here. Do you see the categories over here, like automotive, dining, cruises? Do you like to go on a ship? Car rental? Do you like to travel? Do you want to fly? Do you need Lyft to the airport? Do you like JCPenney? Do you like Foot Locker? Hammond's Toys is local because it goes off the zip code that I put in. So right now, Hammond's Toys, I've known these guys 40 years. Petco, do you have a cool little pet giraffe in the backyard? Big Five. There's even Big Dicks. All right, you go down here. Let's see. There's Kohl's. Okay. I think most people have heard of all these massive national brands, especially like Best Buy. Sam's Club is massive. Save 20 bucks, you bet. Okay, let's just go into automotive. Where'd it go? Right there. Whoop. My God, dang it. Okay, there it is. It's at the top. Okay, I click automotive, and I do this example because I love to wash my vehicles. It's kind of fun. Not in the winter, but I kind of like to mess around and do car wash things. All right. Well, right now I'm at a place called Take 5 Car Wash. But guys, if I can save $6 a month, awesome. Okay. Take 5 oil change. Yeah, why not? Jiffy Lube, Minute Lube. Take 5 has a great oil change program. Do I need to service and do some things like just a fluid change with my transmission? Why not get 10 bucks off? Okay. Scroll down and I don't know, maybe you need some window and car detailing. Okay, sometimes they tint your window. Sometimes they put this magic stuff on it to get the scratches out. Or you just want your car detailed. Get 30 bucks off. Why not? But these are just typical examples. This company is with Walmart. I always bring up Wendy's because I'm a big chocolate frosty fan. All right, I'm a big fan of Subway, even though I don't think they're the best Subway sandwich. You just always go to Subway in America. There's always one on a corner and you just go there. Why not save money? Dining, food, recreation, golf. Go to the top, parks and tickets. Okay, so if you do have a family vacation, you're going to just put your password in here. I forgot to log in. But yeah, you're just going to simply go and look at Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios. There's all these theme parks. There's hotels in Vegas. All right, progressive car insurance. But just remember, My Deals right here at the top or the My Deals. All right, there's 2 locations. Click each one and they both go to the same page. Okay, and like I said, you can go ahead and just search right here or just scroll down and just look. Okay, there's progressive. All right, see if you can save 50 bucks a month. Why not? It's Mother's Day in a week or so. Get some posies or maybe some chocolates. That's kind of cool, isn't it? All right, let's see what's here. Hello Fresh. They're very popular. You want to get in shape? Check out Hello Fresh. Here, Papa John's. I love that pizza. You go in and buy the pizza uncooked, but it's already made. All right, and you can see here's Amazon deals. Home Depot. SeaWorld, Alamo. You want to go to Disney World, Disneyland. I mean, most people aren't vacationing every month, but isn't it nice to know if you save like, let's say 150 bucks, it's 20 bucks a month. All right, divide that. Let's say you just save 150 bucks next month. Guys, that's already 5-6 months you've just paid your 6 months in advance with Save Club just by saving 150 by, I don't know, maybe just going somewhere you're already going to go no matter what anyway. Okay. But anyway, that's how you just look at just the basic 1 million businesses already part of this Save Club thing. Okay. There should be about 2 million and 3 million as we go along. But right now, this is just called like the pre-launch. And that means the next 30 days, because right now, excuse me, guys, it's the last day of April of 2025. You could be watching this video 2 years in my future. I don't know. But if you're watching me now, guys, we're only a handful of days from inception. We just came out of mama. We're like not even sucking our thumbs yet. Someone is just washing us off, putting a little diaper on our bums. Okay? That's when you want to join as an affiliate. This company has a great pay plan. You can just go to saveclub.com/pay plan and see those 5 ways we get paid. Okay? And as an affiliate, if you sign up today for $79.97, the company pays me $20 to $32 next Friday. All right? They pay every Friday. And since this is a brand new thing, all right, I don't have my paycheck yet. I'm on my first week, but I've already signed up like 35, almost 40 people just by doing videos, YouTube stuff, posting on social media when I can. All right, emailing when I can, maybe a business card. All right, I love saveclub.com. Just hand someone a business card if something comes up. Don't try to explain it and do what I'm doing now the last 6.5 minutes. Let the video, all right, when you go to, excuse me, guys, I love saveclub.com, you'll see a nice little video. It's just sitting there. It's a YouTube video. You can't miss it. Okay, so let me just put in I love. I need a little drinky. Okay, you're going to have the same capture page. You can change the Cory Draper name right there if you'd like. People are going to put in their information here and get more info, or they're going to just go ahead and do the same thing and open up their email and join from Save Club. Sorry, guys. But right now, there's that video I was telling you. It's just a YouTube video. It's by Charles. Let him do everything for you. If you hate video, good. Let Charles do it. Okay? Just get real good at inviting people to your own custom link, which is mine, is right up there. And then everyone knows that watches my videos. The first thing I do is go to GoDaddy. I buy a bunch of little domain names that are fun. And for free, GoDaddy forwards, in this case, all right, the saveclubtour.com/Cory Draper. Okay? But this video, I just wanted to show you guys how you can basically just go to My Deals Here or here and just focus on saving some money on things you're already buying, or maybe something you're going to go on a vacation and save. You know, it's up to you. Just take your time. Okay? All right, guys. I love saveclub.com, and I love the color red, and I love Cobra Kai. And right now, I'm going to wet my whistle. Yeah, it looks like after talking, yep, I need a little sippy. Okay, guys, thank you for your time, okay? And Cory at CoryDraper.com. Find me on Facebook and inbox me. If I can help you, let me know. All right? I love to go peace and love. It's the way to be. And I love to wiggle my little fingers right there. Sometimes I put them in my nose. All right. And I put them in other places too. All right. Later, alligator. Bye.